Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today I am going to be tackling my kitchen. I wanted to do a deep clean of my kitchen and just reorganize some of the things here. So I am going to take you guys along, and if you want to clean along with me, go ahead, or if you just want to kick back and watch me clean, enjoy. Let's get started. So first I had to get rid of some of these dishes that I needed to clean up. So I was putting away some of the ones I had already washed, and then I was loading the dishwasher just so that I don't have anything in my space, and also wanted to make sure that I was starting off on a clean slate.
No, I don't have to say I'm sorry. I ain't staying in the background, no, 'cause I don't need your worry. I'm a movement and I ain't losing. Gonna go, 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 go. Like a bullet, won't take no bullshit. You should know, no, I'm about to explode.
So after cleaning off the countertops, I wanted to go ahead and give everything that's on the counter a quick wipe down, starting with my toaster and also my microwave. my toaster was full of breadcrumbs, so I had to really give it a good shake in the sink, and yeah, a lot came out. So I thought I had the little trays that catch everything, but it does not catch everything. And sorry for the focus here, it keeps going in and out. But anyways, I wanted to clean the trays and also give the toaster a quick wipe because it had a ton of burnt breadcrumbs on there. Next, I moved to the microwave and I gave it a quick wipe, and I also wiped inside. It wasn't too bad because I do clean my microwave quite frequently, so it's never too bad. But one thing I don't do often is to actually move it and see what's under there, and it was disgusting. I had a lot of food that just fell in there, and it was really hard to actually scrub it off. I had to soak it quite a bit with the Lysol all-purpose cleaner to make sure that everything came off.
Bring me down, whatever. Call me off whenever. I got time, whenever now.
First organizing I wanted to do was in this drawer here. As you can see, I have a ton of stuff in there, and I wanted to relocate some of the stuff and also organize the other stuff that need to stay in there, like my tea towels and my oven mitts. So I wanted to find a way to strategically organize the tea towels so that everything can fit. And of course, if you fold anything the KonMari way or the Marie Kondo way, it will look so pretty and perfect.
I want it all 'cause I deny we're no good for each other.
My next place to clean and organize was under my sink. A lot of my cleaning products were just a mess. As you can see, there's no organization in there, and I wanted to change that and make it so that I am able to see everything in there and also throw away the stuff that I did not need. I got some organization bins from the Dollar Tree, so I was gonna use that, and I will be showing them to you guys in just a little bit.
'Cause baby, you and I, we lay awake at night, trying to find a light to keep this fire alive. Oh baby, you and I, we can't deny this fight. Oh, this fight. I'm drowning in your arms, still I want it all, 'cause I deny it, deny I am. Drowning in your arms, still I want it all, 'cause I deny we're no good for each other. I got this boy on my mind that I can't live without. Oh, his eyes are killing me. And he keeps talking about everything that he likes, and I can't stop listening. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time. I'm thinking about him all the time, all the time. And my heart's beating fast when he's looking like that. Oh, his smile is killing me. It's the way that he moves and the way that he laughs, so I can't get enough. Thinking about him all the time. I can't get him off my mind. Oh, I want him to be mine, to be mine. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Oh, the way that I feel, yeah, I know that it's real, 'cause I can get him out of my head. I don't care what we do, everything's feeling new, even if we stay in bed. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. You know I want him now, 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 now. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when it's dark, when it's dark. I told him I would do it all for you, and I know you do it for me too. I can be a fighter if you want, if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. Yeah, I can be a fighter. I can be a fighter if you want. I can be a fighter if you want. My heart is saying yeah, 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 yeah. I wanna now, 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 now. Yeah, 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 yeah. I told him I can be a fighter if you want. I'll be there to catch you if you fall. I can make it brighter when
I also wanted to give a quick wipe down on the cabinets, outside of the cabinets as well, and the handles, because the ones by the stove were the dirtiest, because when I'm cooking, that's obviously the splash zone, so there's always oil stains around there, even on the wall as well. So the Lysol all-purpose cleaner did such a great job in taking off all that grease.
if you want.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. But tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just just what I do when I'm out. So try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me. Look at the beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself. I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks. I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town.
And of course, I needed to clean my appliances as well, so I used my stainless steel cleaner with a microfiber cloth, and I gave them a quick wipe down.
When I'm in this town, look at the beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me. No, no, nothing can break me.
Don't tell me how you feel. So quiet laying next to me. The silence souvenir. Letting you go, letting you go. Keep craving you the days that you don't want me. Like searching for some heat inside a cold breeze. On and on forever, won't you hold me? Now won't you hold me? Oh. Cause baby, I try to tell lies. Now I could spell them out if I still tried. Cause I don't care as long as you're there. As long as you're there. Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh love. I don't really care if you don't mind. Baby, we can do this all night. We can do it all night. We can do it all night. Baby, won't you hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Guess we're pioneers, roaming around the atmosphere. I hate when you're not near, drifting away, drifting away. Keep missing you the days that you don't see me. Like searching for a heart inside of my sheet. Sitting here forever, won't you hold me? Now won't you hold me? Oh. Cause baby, I try to tell lies. Now I could spell them out if I still tried. Cause I don't care as long as you're there. As long as you're there. Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh love. I don't really care if you don't mind. Baby, we can do this.
Thank you guys so much for watching. That is it for this video. I am going to be leaving it here. If you loved it and you enjoyed watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment down below. I love chatting with you guys, and also share it with your friends. If you have not subscribed yet, please consider doing so on your way out, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Do you wanna get close? Do you wanna get close? Baby, we can do this all night. Keep on second guessing our love, oh no.